Laugh for us, Mitty.
No.
It's for Noli.
Your husband's done. Don't laugh like that.
Laugh for us. It's for Noli. Laugh for Noli.
No.
You just laugh.
No, he's done.
Do you love Noli? Why? He loves you. He said he loved you, he told us. He said that he misses you.
I have an A in chemistry and an A in social studies.
Okay.
Miki.
Bye.
Miki.
Hi.
Oh, they just said shut up.
Hi, Sunny.
She's coming.
It's like zoom, 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 zoom.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
His number.
Boom.
You want his number? Can you laugh for him? Because he wants to leave you laugh.
Yeah. No, you gotta laugh or you gotta get his number. So ugly. Funny.
Wait, show him my green.
Oh.
Slap yourself.
4550.
Say hi, Sunny. This is for Noli.
5230.
Mitty, this is a hello Noli video. Mitty,
Can you
this
laugh
is
if he wants you to laugh?
yeah.
He misses you
Okay,
laugh.
this is a hi Noli video. Go. You're on camera.
Here. Get drunk.
He said, I never know Miti was someone.
Oh.
There, you can tell them in camera.
Why is he? You guys gonna send that video?
Yeah.
450.
5230, I think.
Girl, you said that it's gonna go on YouTube.
Yeah, 5230.
Everybody's gonna be calling Noli after this.
450. 450.
So what do you say back? He said, I never know Miti.
Yeah. Is that what you want to say to
Is that what you
Noli?
want to say to Noli?
Okay, now
She
let's
got
redo
a-
it. Let's redo it. Let's delete that.
Okay.
No, don't delete it.
No, I'm just gonna stop it and then make another one. Okay.